Musa al-Islam recovers and Harun al-Salam stood beside him with courage. Before Pharaoh's magicians, the staff turned into a powerful serpent. When the magicians witnessed the truth, they believed in the Lord of Musa and Harun.
During his
After
absence,
Pharaoh's
a man named
destruction, Musa
Samiri
al-Islam
misled
went
the
to
people
Mount
and
Tur to
created
receive
a golden calf
revelation.
idol.
During his absence, a man named Simri misled the people and created a gold calf idol. Harun al-Islam warned the people and tried to stop them from worshipping it. Harun al-Islam reminded the people, "Your Lord is the most merciful, so follow me." But many people ignored him and followed the false idol. Harun al-Salam remained patient, fearing that wars might divide Bani Israel further. When
When you
Musa
were away, I
al-Salam
tried to guide
returned,
them, but
Harun
they were led
explained
astray.
how he
I
had
see.
tried to
We will
guide the
set them right
people.
again.
Allah honored Harun as a noble prophet who supported truth with patience and wisdom. His story teaches us that loyal patience and standing with truth are among the greatest acts of faith.